Hello, I am Miss Norman and I am your student's PC Math Models teacher. This is my bell schedule. You all have math models for third period, so you are starting Zoom live class at 12 o'clock, but I also teach Algebra 1 as a co-teacher, so I have that on first, fourth, seventh, eighth, and ninth period. Your students also have first lunch, so they should be having lunch at 11:05 to 11:35, which is right before third period. So we do most of our work online on Canvas. That is where all of the assignments are submitted. And there's also where you can go back and see previous day's assignment. If you have not done so yet, I recommend getting a pairing code. I can generate that for you if you send me an email, or your student can do it. If you go under Account Settings in Canvas, you can generate a pairing code which will allow you to see your students' work, their assignments, their class calendar, everything in there that they need. So this year, we are doing expectations for everyone in the Colt family. Students are expected to attend all sync times on Zoom. These are not voluntary, they are mandatory, though if a student misses them, there are recordings online. They are expected to ask for help right away and to check Canvas and email daily to make sure that they are doing all of their assignments. Also expected to check in on student self-serve weekly to check their grades. Now, teachers also have expectations. We're expected to make our Canvas course standardized so that it is easy to go between courses. We're expected to respond to emails and messages in a timely manner and to send out weekly progress reports to you all. Parents are expected to check in with their students daily to make sure that they are doing their assignments. You're also expected to check their grades weekly to make sure they don't have missing assignments and to reach out by emailing teachers if you have concerns. So you can contact me by emailing me at jnorman@aisd.net, and I also can be reached by texting or calling 817-823-7938.